Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Sunny from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw an arch curve line for the top of her head. Right there. And from the ending point on the left, curve line and flare it downwards to the left. Turn it back inwards at the lower point. Sharp turn upwards with a short line at that corner. Sharp turn diagonally down to the right. On the right side of that ending point, at this upper corner, I'm going to draw a line downwards. Curl it inwards to the right at the lower point. Sharp turn upwards at that corner. On the right side of that set of line, I'm going to draw another similar set of line. Sharp turn upwards on the right corner right there, all the way up. Sharp turn downwards and slightly to the right. Semicircle turn to the right with a curved line across her forehead. And above that curved line, I'm going to draw some curved lines upwards. Like that. And at the ending point on the right, turn it diagonally upwards to the right. And on the right side of that ending point, slightly below, curved line diagonally down to the right. Flare it out and turn it back inwards to the left. Sharp turn across to the right and slightly up. Turn it upwards with a curved line and flare it slightly out to the right. Turn it back inwards to the left at the upper corner. At the ending point of her hair on the right, I'm gonna extend that curved line downwards. Flare it out to the right and turn it back diagonally inwards to the left. On the right side of her head, in the middle point, curved line diagonally out to the right. Turn it inwards diagonally to the left. Now for the shape of her face, at the inner corner of her hair on the left, curved line downwards and slightly to the right. Turn it diagonally down to her chin and to the right. Curved line across to the right on her chin right there. And mirror the same shape of her face on the right side. Inside of her face in the middle, off center to the right, I'm going to draw her eyebrow with a short line downwards. Turn it across to the right and slightly up. Curved line across to the right. Repeat that same set of curved line for the upper line of her eyebrow. Below the eyebrow at the inner corner, I'm going to draw the upper line of her eye with curved line diagonally across to the right and slightly up. Turn it diagonally down on the outer corner and curl it upwards at that point. For the lower line of her eye, I'm going to draw from the inner corner a curved line across at this lower point. Turn it diagonally upwards at the outer corner of her eye. Inside of her eye, I'm going to draw her pupil with a circular shape in the middle point and a black dot in the center of that circle. Mirror the whole eyebrow shape and the eye shape on the left side. At the inner corner of her eye, below the eyebrow, I'm going to draw a short curved line downwards and slightly to the center of her face on the left corner right there. And I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. And below that, I'm going to draw the tip of her nose with a U curve line in the middle of her face right there. And on the left side of that, a short curve line downwards on the left and right side. Below the nose, I'm going to draw her mouth with curve line across from the left to the right. And from the same corner on the left, I'm going to draw the upper lips with diagonal line across to the right and slightly up. Semicircle turn downwards in the middle of her mouth right there. Mirror the same shape of the upper lips on the right side of her mouth. For the lower lips, I'm going to take the same corner on the left and draw a diagonal line across to the right and slightly downwards. Curve line across in the middle. Turn it back diagonally upwards on the right corner of her mouth. Below her head, I'm going to draw her neck with a curve line downwards on the left. Flare it slightly out to the left at the base of the neck. Copy the same curve line and mirror it on the right side. In between the two set of curve line, I'm going to draw the pendant of her necklace with an arch curve line below her chin. Turn it downwards on both sides. V-shape across from the left ending point to the right ending point. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a tilted oval shape on the left corner, right there, and mirror that same shape on the right side. At the outer corner of the pendant, I'm going to draw a curved line across at the upper point right there to the side of her neck, and below that another curved line across and another one at this lower point. Mirror the same set of curved line across on the left side of her neck. At the base of her neck on the left, I'm going to draw the collar of her shirt with a curved line across to the right side of her neck. Stretch it downwards in the middle and turn it back upwards on the right side. Repeat that same curved line again at this outer corner. And from the ending point of her neck, I'm going to draw a curved line across to her sleeve on the left and slightly downwards. Turn it downwards on her sleeve, a short line across to the right, sharp turn diagonally down with a short line to the left. Curve line downwards and flare it slightly out. Turn it back inwards on her waist right there and flare it back out. Mirror that same set of line on the right side of her shirt. At the lower point of her shirt on the left, curve line across to the right. And on the right corner, I'm going to draw a triangle niche with an upside down V shape across to the right. Curve line across to the ending point of the shirt on the right. Inside of the shirt, I'm going to draw the alien head with an arch curve line in the middle point. Turn it downwards on both sides with curve line. Curve line diagonally down to the middle from the left corner and mirror that same diagonal line on the right side right there. Inside of that shape in the middle point off center to the left, diagonal curve line upwards to the right. From the ending point of that curve line on the left, diagonal curve line to the right and downwards at that corner. Mirror that same set of line on the left side. Below her shirt, I'm going to draw the lower point of her waist diagonally down to the left at that corner. Mirror that same curve line on the right side. And from the ending point on the left, curve line across to the ending point on the right. Stretch it slightly downwards in the middle point. Above that line, at the side of her waist, a short line out on the left. Turn it downwards. Extend it downwards with curve line all the way to her knee point. And below the knee point, another curve line downwards. Flare it slightly out to the left and turn it back inwards to her ankle point. Flare it out with a short curve line above the ankle point. Turn it back inwards and curve line downwards below that. In between her legs, I'm going to draw at the upper corner a curve line across in the middle point right there. And below that curve line, off center to the left, I'm going to draw the inner line of her left leg with curve line downwards and slightly to the left, all the way to her knee point. Flare it back out with another curve line below the knee point. Turn it back inwards to her ankle. And above her ankle, I'm gonna flare it out with a short curve line to the right. Turn it back inwards curve line downwards below that. Now for the buckle of the belt below the waist, I'm going to align across at this middle point. Semi-turn downwards on both sides of the buckle. Semi-turn back to the middle at the ending point on both sides. Align across in the middle of that ending point. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw on the left corner a long rectangular shape across. And inside of the buckle, I'm going to trace the same line along the edge. At the side of the buckle on the left, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape at that corner. And I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. And at the outer corner of the buckle, from the upper left corner, I'm going to draw the belt with curve line across to the left. Continue that curve line across to the side of her pants. Copy the same set of curve line across for the lower line of her belt. I'm going to mirror the whole thing on the right side. Below her belt on the left, curve line diagonally down to the outer corner and mirror that same diagonal line on the right side of her pants. In the middle of the pants below the buckle, a line downwards off center to the right and another line downwards off center to the left. On her thigh on the left, I'm going to draw an arch curve line across at that corner. Mirror that same arch curve line at this lower point from the same ending point on the left and right side. Repeat that same set of shape again at this lower point and slightly smaller. And I'm going to repeat that same set of shape again above her knee and another one below that. Below the knee, I'm going to draw another similar shape and smaller, and another one below that. On her lower leg, another similar shape at that corner. On her left leg, I'm gonna copy that same set of shape again at this lower point of her thigh, and a bigger one below that on the right side, and a smaller one below that at that corner. Above her knee, I'm gonna draw another similar shape again, and below her knee another similar shape at that corner. Below her pants on the left, I'm going to draw the top of her boots with a curve line across, semi-turn downwards on both sides. At the ending point on the left, extend it downwards with a curve line, flare it diagonally out to the left and slightly down, semi-turn downwards at the front tip of her boots. For the back part of her boots, I'm going to draw a curve line across at the ending point on the right, semi-turn downwards and turn it slightly inwards to her ankle, turn it diagonally out to the right and downwards and turn it downwards. At that corner, curve line across to the left, turn it up with a short line across to the left and slightly down, curve line across to the left. Slightly above the base of the boots, I'm going to draw from the left corner, curve line across, semi-turn slightly upwards diagonally to the right, and all the way to the back. Inside of the boots on the left corner, from the upper point, I'm going to draw some crisscross knots, like that, and copy that same crisscross knot again downwards and another one at that corner. I'm gonna mirror the same shape of her boots on the right side. Now for her right arm, at the outer corner of her sleeve, curve line outwards at this upper point to her shoulder, semi-turn downwards on her shoulder, and below the shoulder, curve line downwards and diagonally to the right, flared out on her elbow point, turn it back inwards and downwards to her wrist. For the inner line of her arm, I'm gonna mirror that same curve line diagonally down at this left corner. Another curve line downwards below the elbow point and slightly flare it out. Turn it back downwards to her wrist at the inner corner. Now on her wrist, I'm going to draw a curve line across at that corner and another similar curve line below that. A line downwards on both ending points on the left and right. Below that, I'm going to draw her glove with a diagonal line downwards to the left on the left corner. Semi-turn downwards, semi-turn to the right and turn it up. Sharp turn downwards. And at the outer corner of her hand, curved line downwards and slightly to the left. Semi-turn to the left and semi-turn upwards. On her thumb, I'm going to draw a curved line across in the middle point. And at the outer corner of her glove, below the wrist, curved line downwards in the middle point right there. Curved line across to the right. Mirror the same shape of her arm on the left side. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.